A call about a problem. Good morning. My internet has not worked since early today.
Hello, this is Alex from customer service.
I have no internet and I cannot work.
I am sorry, I am happy to help.
The problem came very suddenly.
Is the internet completely gone?
Yes, I have no connection.
Do you use Wi-Fi or a cable?
I use Wi-Fi.
Does it also not work with a cable?
No, I have already tried.
Thank you for the info.
I am getting a bit nervous.
I completely understand.
I am working from home today.
Since when exactly is it gone?
Since early morning.
Were there problems last night?
No, everything ran fine.
Did you restart the router?
Yes, even several times.
Did you wait a moment each time?
Yes, I waited calmly.
Is one light shining red?
Yes, one is blinking red.
That is important to know.
Does that mean an outage?
Yes, often that is the sign.
Is the problem on my side?
I am checking your line now.
Okay, I will wait.
Thank you for your patience.
No problem.
I see an outage on your street.
So it affects other people?
Yes, not only you.
That calms me a little.
Our technicians are already working.
Can you say how long it takes?
Probably until the evening.
That is still a long time.
Yes, I understand that.
Can I do anything?
Sadly, not very much.
Should I turn the router off?
No, please keep it on.
Will I get info later?
Yes, by message.
Good, then I know.
Do you have another question?
No, that was all.
Then I apologize for the trouble.
Thank you for your help.
My pleasure.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
A call about a complaint. Hello, I have a problem with my order.
Hello, this is Alex from customer service.
I ordered clothes from you.
Okay, what happened?
The package arrived today.
Is something wrong?
Yes, sadly, several things.
I am sorry to hear that. Please tell me everything.
I ordered a blue jacket.
All right. And which color did you get?
The jacket is gray.
That is, of course, wrong.
Yes, I really wanted blue.
I understand that well. Were there other items?
Yes, a t-shirt and pants.
Were those items correct?
The t-shirt is okay.
That is good. And the pants?
The pants are too light.
Which color did you want?
Black, very dark.
I understand. So the pants are wrong too.
Exactly.
Was there anything else wrong?
Yes, the package arrived very late.
How many days did you wait?
Almost a week.
I am sorry. Normally it is faster.
Yes, so I was surprised.
Was there another problem with delivery?
The clothes were also very wrinkled.
Was the packaging damaged?
No, but it was very thin.
Thanks for the info. That is important for us.
What can I do now?
You can send back all wrong items.
So jacket and pants?
Yes, exactly.
Will I get new clothes then?
Yes, we will send new items.
In the right colors?
Yes, of course.
Do I have to pay for that?
No, the return is free.
That is good.
Will I get a return label?
Yes, we send it by email.
Should I send everything back together?
Yes, please, all wrong items.
Should I keep the t-shirt?
Yes, you can keep that.
How long will the new delivery take?
About 3 to 4 days.
Good, that is okay.
Then I will wait.
Would you like to change the size?
No, the size fits well.
Then I change only the colors.
Perfect.
I enter that into the system now.
Thanks.
You will get a confirmation email soon.
Very good.
There you will also find the return label.
Great, thanks.
Do you have more questions about the order?
No, now everything is clear.
Then I am glad.
Thanks, that helps me a lot.
You're welcome.
I wish you a nice day too.
Many thanks.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
A call to the mechanic. Hello, my car will not start.
Hello, this is Alex from customer service.
I am standing in front of my apartment.
I understand that is annoying.
Yes, I need to leave soon.
That is not good. Does nothing happen when you start?
No, the engine does not start.
Does the key turn normally?
Yes, but nothing happens.
Do you hear a sound?
Yes, I hear a soft click.
Does the sound repeat?
Yes, every time I try.
Do the lights in the car turn on?
Yes, the lights come on.
Also the dashboard?
Yes, that lights up too.
Then the battery may be weak.
That might be true.
Is it very cold outside?
Yes, it is pretty cold today.
Cold weather can weaken a battery.
I did not know that.
Did you use the car yesterday?
Yes, last night.
Did you notice any problem then?
No, everything was normal.
Maybe you left the lights on?
Yes, that could have happened.
That happens to many people.
Then I am not alone.
No, certainly not.
What can I do now?
Do you have jumper cables?
No, sadly not.
Is there someone nearby with a car?
Yes, a neighbor is here.
Can you ask him for help?
Yes, I can ask.
Very good.
And if that does not work,
Then we can send help.
how does that work exactly?
A worker will come to you.
With a car?
Yes, with a service vehicle.
What will he do?
He will jumpstart your car.
Will he check the battery too?
Yes, he will look at everything quickly.
How long will that take?
Usually about 20 to 30 minutes.
Do I have to pay?
That depends on your contract.
Can you check that?
Yes, I will look now.
Thanks.
One moment, please.
No problem.
I have checked your contract.
And?
This service is included.
That is good.
You pay nothing extra.
That calms me.
Should I send help?
Yes, please.
Are you safe right now?
Yes, I stand outside my house.
Are you on the street?
No, I am in a parking lot.
Very good. Please stay with your car.
Yes, I will.
Do you have your phone with you?
Yes, I do.
Then the worker can call you.
Perfect.
Help is on the way now.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome.
I will wait here.
Yes, please stay reachable.
I will.
I wish you good luck.
Thanks.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. A call about a payment. Hello, I have a question about a payment.
Hello, this is Alex from customer service.
I see a charge and I'm unsure.
No problem. I'm happy to help.
I got a message from my bank yesterday.
Is it about a bill?
Yes, an unpaid bill.
Can you tell me the date of the bill?
It is from the start of the month.
Have you already paid the bill?
I thought so, but I'm not sure.
Let's look at it together.
Thank you.
I'll check that for you.
All right.
One moment, please.
No problem.
I see a payment from last week.
So I did pay.
Yes, the payment came in.
That's good to hear.
The amount was transferred in full.
Why did I get the message then?
Sometimes the info arrives a bit later.
Ah, I didn't know that.
That happens quite often.
Good to know.
The bill is now settled.
That really calms me.
Would you like a short explanation?
Yes, please.
The bank sometimes flags open bills automatically.
Even if they are already paid.
Yes, if the payment is still processing.
I understand.
Do you have any other open amounts?
Not that I know.
I'll check that too.
Okay.
Just a moment, please.
Yes.
No, everything is fine.
Very good.
There are no other open bills.
I'm glad to hear that.
Do you pay with automatic withdrawal?
Yes, that is easier for me.
Would you like to keep it that way?
Yes, please.
Then everything stays as it is.
Will I get a confirmation?
Yes, we will send an email
When will I receive the email?
in the next few minutes.
Great.
Please also check your spam folder.
Good idea.
Do you have more questions about the payment?
No, everything is clear now.
Then I'm happy.
Thank you for the explanation.
You're very welcome.
Thanks for your time.
No problem.
Goodbye.
Goodbye and have a great day.
A call about an appointment. Hello, I would like to make an appointment.
Hello, this is Alex from customer service.
It is about an appointment next week
Sure, what do you need the appointment for?
for a consultation.
All right, is it about an existing issue or a new question?
It is a new question.
No problem.
I have more time in the morning.
Good to know. Is Monday or Tuesday better for you?
Tuesday would be good.
All right, morning or afternoon?
Morning, please.
At 9 o'clock or at 10 o'clock?
10 o'clock suits me better.
Good. I'll put in 10 o'clock.
Thank you.
Tuesday at 10 o'clock, right?
Yes, exactly.
How long will the appointment take?
About 30 minutes.
That is perfect.
Then I still have time after.
Very good. Will you come alone or with someone?
I will come alone.
All right. Do you already have a customer number with us?
Yes, I have a number.
Can you tell it to me?
Yes, one moment, please.
No problem.
I will look for it quickly.
Take your time.
Here is the number.
Thanks, I have found you.
Great.
I see your data in the system.
Very good.
The appointment is now saved.
Will I get a confirmation?
Yes, by email?
Today?
Yes, within the next minutes.
Very good.
Please also check your spam folder.
Yes, I will.
Do you want the appointment online or on site?
On site, please.
All right. Do you know our address?
Yes, I have been there once.
Do you also know which room?
No, not yet.
It is in the confirmation email.
Perfect.
Please plan to come a few minutes early.
Yes, I will do that.
Do you need anything else?
No, that was all.
Then see you Tuesday at 10.
Thank you very much for your help.
My pleasure.
Goodbye.
Goodbye and see you Tuesday.
A call about an address change. Good afternoon. I want to change my address.
Good afternoon. This is Alex from customer service.
I moved recently.
All right, I will help you.
My old address is not correct now.
I understand. Since when do you live at the new address?
Since last week,
Is the move permanent or only temporary?
it is my new home now.
All right, have you already received mail from us?
No, not yet.
Then it is good that you called.
Yes, I thought so too.
We can avoid problems this way.
Exactly.
Please tell me your customer number.
Yes, one moment, please.
No problem.
I will look it up.
Take your time.
Here is the number.
Thank you, I opened your account.
Great.
Now we change the address.
Yes, please.
What is your new street?
The street is Oak Street.
Thank you. And the house number?
Number 12.
Is there an apartment number?
No, just 12.
In which city do you live now?
In Atlanta.
And the zip code?
Is that the 5-digit number?
Yes, could you tell me, please?
Yes, it is 30315.
Thanks, I will enter that.
Thank you.
Should we also change the billing address?
Yes, please.
Do you want mail by letter or by email?
Email is better.
Then we will use the email we have.
Yes, it is still correct.
Very good. Do you want to stop paper letters?
Yes, only digital.
All right, I will switch that.
Very good.
The new address is saved now.
When is it active?
Right away.
That is perfect.
Will I get a confirmation?
Yes, by email in a few minutes.
Great.
Then I know.
Do you want to change anything else?
No, that was all.
Then everything is done.
Thank you for the help.
Glad to help. Have a nice day.
Thanks, you too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.